Hi kids, welcome back to BLV channel. In the last class, we see about determiners, definition and its types. What is a determiner? A word that determines or limits a noun or a noun phrase is a determiner. What are the types of determiners? Articles, possessive adjectives, demonstrators, distributives, quantifiers and interrogators. In the last class we see about articles briefly. In today's class, let's see the other types of determiners briefly. So the first one is possessive determiners. Possessives are words that show ownership or a relationship between people or things. Possessive adjectives like my, her, your, is, its are also determiners. For example, Vivek's father sold his car 2 months ago. Demonstrator determiners. This, that, these and those indicate the distance of the nouns mentioned. They also say whether they are singular or plural, that is countable. This and that are also used to introduce uncountable nouns. For example, this shirt is yours, that bag is mine. Other extra examples like these chocolates are from Belgium, plural and near. That book is written by Neil Gaiman, singular and not near. This water smells foul, near and uncountable. That paper is imported from Finland, not near and uncountable. They are numeral determiners also, definite numeral, indefinite numeral and distributive numerals. Distributives, each and every. Each is used when we think of things separately one by one. That is, when two or more persons or things in a group are considered with emphasis of the individual. For example, each picture on the wall looks good. Every is used to refer to more than two persons or things considered, but like each, every also refers to the individual person or thing, but with emphasis on the total group. For example, every line in the poem starts with a capital letter. I went for a morning walk every day during the holidays. Either and neither. Either is usually used in the context of two items or people. It has two meanings. First one or the other of two. It does not matter which. For example, either of the candidates will make a good president. That is, any one of them. Second one, both of two. For example, we have stairwells on either side of the building. That means on both sides. Neither is used when both of the options, that is things or people, are not viable. For example, I had two answers in my mind. Neither of them was correct. Each and every are usually used as a singular, so they take a singular verb. Quantifiers, words that show how much or how many, that is the quantity, are called quantifiers. These include many, a little, few, some, a lot of, etc. Some of them are only used with countable and some of them are used only with uncountable nouns. Some others are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Quantifiers used with countable nouns show how many. Quantifiers used with uncountable noun shows how much. Now let's see about interrogatives determiners. Question words like which, whose, how much, how many are also determiners when they introduce a noun pronoun or a noun phrase in a question. Examples: whose work are you completing? What reason did he give this time for being late? Which two dresses have you finalized? Etc. So, we have completed our lesson determiners. So, I will give you some exercises. Please do these exercises in your rough note to know more about determiners. Thank you, children. Don't forget to subscribe.